GE saying goodbye to yet another one of its businesses today. Morgan Brennan is live at the New York Stock Exchange with the details, Morgan, and less than enthusiastic market reaction.
Yeah, Sarah, that's right. Thanks. GE is announcing a $3.25 billion sale of its distributed power business to takeover firm Advent International. And this covers GE Power's Jenbacher and Waukesha industrial engines, which were amassed under former chief Jeff Immelt. Also some manufacturing sites. This is expected to close by Q4. And the deal, which is the latest in CEO and Chairman John Flannery's broader strategy to divest at least $20 billion of assets by the end of next year. This is a move to shed non-core businesses as the struggling industrial tries to turn itself around. This is the latest deal among the sales that have been struck under Flannery so far. You've got industrial solutions for $2.6 billion, healthcare IT for about $1 billion, and also that complex $11 billion merger of the transportation unit with Wabtec, through which GE will receive almost $3 billion in cash up front. Now, still on the block, you've got parts of lighting and current, which is the energy management business. GE has also said in the past that some smaller aviation platforms are up for grabs as well. In the meantime, today also marks GE's last day as a member of the Dow Industrials. This is really the end of an era for a blue chip that's been in the index continuously for more than a century. You throw in all this trade angst that is really rattling the broader market overall today, and you take a look at shares of GE, they're down almost 2%, and in this last day on the Dow, they are the worst performer, down more than 25%.
It's a humbling time for that company, I'm sure for its management as well. Is there any sense of what it would take or what the market is looking for to make the stock move up? I mean, it's just a drip, drip, drip of sort of depressing news.
Yeah, well, I mean, there's this longer-term plan that's underway under Flannery. The divestitures are a big part of that. There's also been this expectation in recent months that we could see a broader, longer-term strategy that could even potentially involve a larger breakup or spin-off or divestiture of one of its core businesses. David Faber has reported a lot on this over the months, and even just recently last week. So I think investors are looking for, even just a couple years out from now, what are the longer term plans? And also that power business, which has been GE's biggest. What's the turnaround look like there? And of course, cash flow, which has been the big issue. You've had a number of analysts come out talking about the dividend, whether you could see a cut, whether you could see a suspension, et cetera.
All right, Morgan, thanks very much. Morgan Brennan on the floor of the NYSE.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.